right, guys, we're at my favorite Christmas holiday place. Where are we at, Kelly?
We're at Summit Racing.
Summit Racing. Chase is here. Look, we always have to stop. We got to go check out the scratch and dent section. Always. I'm not going to be in here long, though. I only get to come once a year.
He has to buy me a shirt.
So we're buying her a shirt, getting her a shirt. So we've been browsing, and we just happened to come over here at the head section. Kelly, what was that I told you I wanted for our anniversary gift?
A big black Chevy.
A big block Chevy. So over here, we're looking at cylinder heads. I'm going to show you the difference between a big block Chevy and a small block Chevy, and you will see why I want a big block Chevy. All right, guys. So this is a big block Chevy head, and that is a small block Chevy head. Now, these are the same exact stands, but look at the difference in the ports. These are my little puny 23-degree heads, and these are like 355 cc's.
You're moving too fast.
Kelly, I got to get a big block. I need a big block. It's up to you to get me a big block. Did you get me one?
Do I just pick one off the shelf?
No. These are the heads, though.
Educate me.
Okay, education. These are bigger. They flow more air. They make more horsepower than these.
How do I know which one to get you?
I'm going to give you a punch list. I'll go ahead and get you a parts list together.
Or you could just buy it. And
Say it coming from you?
like I buy my presents and say they come from you.
Boy, look. Oh, wait a minute. Did you just give me permission? Did you just give you permission? Did you just give me permission to buy a 540 cubic inch big block Chevy? I think you did.
On video.
I think you did. Y'all heard it, guys. We are getting a big block Chevrolet. God, man, it's just so crazy the difference in the just everything. I mean, look at it. I mean, it's crazy the amount of airflow that this can do. Anyway, we're sidetracked. All right, guys, we're over here. We got to the famous scratch and dent section. This is the best section of Summit for me. And we run into someone that watches the channel, Chris. Appreciate it, man.
Hey, man.
He's from up this way. I think you said you had a little bit of an incident with a wall. He feels my pain.
Yeah, it happened back in April, and car is getting back together, and I'll be out next year. So
cool, man. And he actually wrecked it down there local to us at Galat.
Yeah, back in April at Galat, and just not really getting the power management down where it needs to be, but
that's hard. Radios and stuff.
We'll get it back.
Yeah. All right, man. Well, nice meeting you. Appreciate you watching the channel. Good luck with the build. It's funny. The racing world is so small, right?
Yeah. It's
crazy.
Know each other.
That's crazy. Yeah. All right, guys. We have thoroughly evaluated the scratch and dent section, and unfortunately, there is not anything that I need today over here. Biggest thing I need is a gear. I need a 360 or 370 gear for a 9-inch. But they don't have one over here. I was hoping they did, but I guess our Summit experience, our Summit trip is out and over today. It's always fun coming up to Ohio and hanging out in the store for a few minutes. All right, guys, comment, like, and subscribe. See ya later.